Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video, continuing our series on the Keywords Everywhere extension, we're going to be showing you how to get the Keyword Everywhere extension and how to install the extension on your browser and setting up. Okay, so now one thing you need to know is that the Keyword Everywhere extension comes in two types. There is a one for the Chrome browser and there's a one for the Firefox browser. Okay, so now the one for the Chrome browser can be gotten from the Chrome store, from Google Chrome store. All you just need to do is to search for the word, um, um, keyword everywhere extension. Okay, extension. So that's what you're going to search on Google. Then the first result there is going to be the result from the Google Chrome store, chrome.google.com. So you just click on it. And once you click on it, it will take you to this page right here where you have the keywords everywhere tool. And as you can see, about 1 million plus users have installed this beautiful must have Chrome extension on their Chrome browser. And you can see that they have about a 5,457 ratings of about 4.5 out of 5, which is a good rating. That's to show you the beautiful way this keywords everywhere extension has been for people. So now you're going to see the button that said add to Chrome. So just go ahead and click that button and it's going to start checking. Then it's going to bring up this pop-up and you go ahead and click the add extension and give it some time to download the little extension and then install it on your browser. Note, the browser I'm using right now is not really Chromium. It's not Chrome browser, but it's from the Chromium engine. So any browser that is built on top the Chromium engine, the same engine that was used to build the Chrome browser, can also install this extension. So basically, the browser I'm using here is a browser that was built on Chromium. This is the Chromium Bear browser, so it's going to work. Then there are other browsers too that are built on top of this. So now that the extension has been installed, you see we can click on our extension here, where from this icon you can see all the extension that you have. So then we can go to, this is the keyword everywhere extension. So we're going to pin it by clicking here. So now the extension is pinned here, and if you click here, you see, so this is the whole setup: bulk keyword data, analyze page content, bulk train data, competitor gap analysis, my favorite keywords, organic ranking, keywords URL, and so on and so forth. So now after this, you need to, sign up for a keyword for a new API, right? API key. So clicking here will take you to where you put your email address and request for an API key. Getting an API key is actually free. Then after you get your API key, you now pay for a particular plan to be able to see keywords, data, and statistics. So that is the video on how to get keyword everywhere extension. On the next video, we're going to show you how to, get an API key, set up an API key, pay for a plan, and so on and so forth. That will be all for now. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.